the water's wide side.
It's been raining for days now, the floods come to rest. Morning breaks east over Howe's quiet crest.
Warm autumn whispers, still air in the bay, reflections of silence at the break of day. After the rain comes the golden glow, cools Inlet sings and the soft winds blow. No hurry, no sound, just a breath and a name. Mallacoota's heart after the rain.
We watch the water rise, the foreshore fade, memories floating on the lake we made.
Now gulls trace circles where campers once stayed. Nature took back what the earth had laid.
Down by the mouth where the estuary runs, water rushes fast, wild from what it's become.
Ocean takes it all, no questions, no blame. Salt meets the flood and it leaves just a name.
And we stood hand in hand on that old gravel bend.
Two shadows, one sunrise, the storm at its end. After the rain comes the golden glow, the stillness sings in the softest flow. No need for words, just the silence remains. Mallacoota's song after the rain. We'll remember this light, this mirror-like lake.
After the rain, our hearts awake. Our hearts awake.